So we're gonna unbox a brand new Dockmate system. Nice foam padding protection. We got your quick start guide. Everybody wants their remote controlled by Dockmate sticker. We have the user manual for the owner. A quick pick list to show you what's involved and what options are purchased by the owner. Every installation manual depending on the boat. So there's your JPO control system, and there is your Vetus bow thruster can. And we also have pre-made labels, just so that the technician installing it can have some labels made for their system. We'll put this stuff to the side for a second. And here we are. So every cable, here's your Vetus for your horn. You got your power, your JPO, factory made ends, your Vector joystick with the antenna built in, lanyard, your surface charger, your cradle mount charger, and the actual Dockmate receiver, nice and packaged, getting ready to install.